Road chaos caught on camera, a biker jumping in to stop a street fight, and an old man with an axe charging at the riders. These two clips are the craziest moments in this video. Two bikers were just riding along when suddenly they spotted a heated fight right in the middle of the road. Without thinking twice, they jumped straight in. The argument was seconds away from turning into a real brawl, but luckily the bikers got there in time, pulling both sides apart before things got worse.
Kimsenin anasına küfür etme. Tamam. Git al. Kimsenin anasına küfür etme hadi. Tamam Şahin. Tamam Şahin boş ver.
Sometimes bikers aren't just riders, they're the ones who step in and help when it matters most. The biker claims a female driver was riding dangerously close behind his girlfriend, and what followed turned into a full-on road rage argument.
What's the problem riding up my girlfriend's ass? Why the f*** are you riding up my girlfriend's ass? I don't give a shit. If you have somewhere to be, drive safe. She's L plates.
She was driving a 20 miles.
She has L plates, you fat bitch.
She pulled over just a little ahead, and once they stopped, things escalated fast.
No.
I'll be showing the police what you were doing.
This is on f***ing camera.
Well,
go for it, I dare you.
because you were doing wheelies and all down the road.
No, I f***ing wasn't. I was on my f***ing pegs.
You were doing all them up and down the road, so I'll make sure I get you too.
Go for it, I don't care.
So, well.
It's all on camera. Do what you want, love. Don't ride up my girlfriend's ass. She's got L plates.
I didn't go right up her arse.
Yes, you f***ing did. I watched you. There are speed bumps on a f***ing hill. And she is on L plates, you moron.
A tense moment breaks out when a man suddenly steps in front of a group of riders heading to an event.
Meg nem lehet arra menni.
Elmentük, de nem úgy, hogy csináljátok.
De lassan át lehet gurulni, öreg.
Ide figyelj!
Én nem tudom.
Te csináltad ezt az utat meg?
Én nem.
Akkor nem kell erre járni.
Most jó, mert hívtak minket.
Mi ezért fizetünk?
Ki volt ki?
But instead of reacting, the riders keep their cool and calmly clear things up.
Hát ez egy úgymond egy országos verseny. Ő szervezi ezt a motoros versenyt.
Igen, nekünk semmi közünk kell.
Nekem menjen visszafelé. Neves úton?
Mi nem tudjuk az utat, itt van navigációval, megyünk 17 kilométer van hátra. 250 kilométer óta úton vagyunk.
Mi nekünk kell semmi közünk, hívtak egy rendezvényre.
Le lett írva, hogy mi senkit nem ismerünk, mi ketten vagyunk.
Úton vagyunk 220 kilométerre, a karomat nem érzem.
Meg lehet beszélni, veteményesen nem mehetünk.
Nem értetek, a vasútra átjöttek, itt akkor lassú menetben menjünk, mert nézd, abban a tanyában.
Csak itt baszhatjuk, még jönnek még annyian itt, mint a
akkor lassan elmehetünk itt most, mert hajrába vagyunk, akkor menjünk lassan. Jó. Elnézést, tényleg.
Just a reminder, staying calm can diffuse situations you never expect. This driver thought flashing a gun would scare the bikers, but he didn't realize bikers aren't the type to run. And what happened next changed the whole road.
What the f*** is your problem, bro? Yeah, you wanna pull out a f***ing gun, you f***ing pussy?
This driver almost pushed the biker off the road, and that's when things got heated. 1 second it was just another ride, the next it turned into a full-on confrontation.
You're gonna f***ing cut me off like that? Get the f*** out! Get the f*** out! Get the f*** out, you pussy ass m***. Come on. Nah, you wanna talk shit? Get the f*** out. Get the f*** out, pussy. Get the f*** out. Look at me, motherfucker. You heard? You can f*** kill me. No, we both nothing. You see me make that f*** left? No, shut the f*** up. Because you cut me the f*** off. You looked at me and then you cut me off.
No, we both went.
We both went. You're on your f*** lane, I'm on my lane, and you still f*** cut me off, motherfucker. Yes, you did. I have it all on GoPro, you idiot. No. I have it all on GoPro. And before you want to talk shit, get the out and fight me.
He was just riding through a quiet back road when out of nowhere, a stranger stepped in and started a fight.
Ja, doe weer.
Wieso? Nix?
Draf hier, weg hier.
Nix hier, wieso? Wir dürfen hier auch fahren. Wieso sollen wir hier nicht fahren dürfen?
Was?
Dürfen Sie hier baden?
Nee, dürfen wir nicht
Ja, dürft ihr hier baden?
But before he could react, more people showed up, turning a simple ride into chaos. And from that moment, nothing felt safe anymore.
Ich bin älter.
Wollen Sie mich anfassen?
Ja.
Fassen Sie mich, ich hab alles auf Kamera.
Ja.
Ich will aufpassen, ich hab alles auf Kamera. Ich hab alles auf... Finger weg!
Raus.
Pissen Sie mich!
Hier, Jungs, help me helpen. Hier.
Ja, wir fahren.
Raus da! Sofort!
Hey, hört doch auf!
Der Kamera! Weg raus!
Wir haben doch...
The rider noticed one thing. This car was charging toward the biker ahead like a maniac. He tried to step in and stop it. But that only made things even more dangerous. And what happened next? You won't be able to look away.
Yes, you got a camera on you. Yes.
What do you
Two
do,
white
mate?
lines into the
Get out of my
car,
face.
screaming because you're doing that.
Get out of my face.
20 miles an hour on a 40 mile an hour.
You're right up my arse. That's very dangerous, yeah?
The problem is the three of
You're on camera, mate. You're on camera. Doesn't mean you go right up his arse, does it? Doesn't mean you go right up his arse. Fuck off.
Take the camera to the police.
Off.
Scared the shit
Get
out
in your
of
car.
my kids, knobhead. I had to brake. That's against the law, you pulled out.
What did you break the for?
If I have to brake, because you pulled out in front of me. There wasn't sufficient room in front of me, was
There
there?
was more than enough space to pull.
You
were right up his arse. What if he had to
Listen,
break?
listen. You go right ahead, go to the police.
Get your hand away from me.
I aren't stupid.
You were in the wrong way. Got your registration plate, mate.
When we pulled out,
SL52TWP. Get your f***ing arse back in your car and f*** off.
Nobody wins in road rage, but everybody wins when patience takes over. He was riding straight, calm, focused. Then suddenly, a car cut into his lane, and in that moment, everything exploded. He stopped just a little ahead, and then started walking toward the biker. After that, everything changed.
See, you don't put attention? Huh? No. I have my video.
The way you were driving. Sir, I saw you before you even have hit him. Sir. You almost hit me too. Sir, you were driving like 100 miles per hour.
Did you see when I
saw you. All right,
did he see when I came
even before you hit him.
Sir, did he, all right.
He just went over.
Sir.
Yeah, I saw. I have a video.
If you watched till the end, thank you. Hit like, subscribe, and don't leave yet, because the video on your screen right now is even crazier than this one. Go check it out.